Hello everyone, my name is Eugene First. This is grade 9 mathematics lesson number 4. This is my cell phone number in case you want to get in touch with me. In this video, I'm going to provide answers to question 2 and question 4. Alright, I know this was supposed to be your homework, so I hope you have done it. So you're just going to confirm if your answers are right or wrong, or you need to do some correction. Okay, so now I'm going to do it. I will solve these two in two different ways. I'll simplify this in two different ways. So the first way that I'm going to use, I'll use the fact that 64 is equal to 8 times 8. So I need a sign, equation. All right, then I can make use of this one. Copy. Paste it here. So I know that 64 is 8 times 8, which I can also write as 8 exponent 2. Copy 8 exponent 2. All right. So instead of 2, I'll put at 8 then. That is 64. So meaning that instead of having a 64 here, I'll use 8 exponent 2. Okay, let me just go down. Come on. Paste. So I have open the bracket, close the bracket, and inside here I have 8 exponent 2. Alright, so now if you go back up here, you learn that once now you have written that number in index notation, so you should now multiply the two exponents, the one inside and the one outside. So what is going to happen here, so I will now multiply 2 times 1 over 6. And if I do just that, so maybe I need to show that step. Copy. Then I say this will be equal to, I paste it here, come on. Alright, so it's multiplication. So these two can now go. And then here, I should now put up a multiplication sign. So you multiply this exponent with the one outside, and if you do that, you end up with 8 exponent. Maybe I should copy again. I mean paste. Sorry. Come on. Paste. Oh, just a sign. Undo. All right, it seems like my computer doesn't want to cooperate today. Okay, it's back to normal. All right, so if I multiply 2 times 1 over 6, so I don't want to miss any step, that would give me something like this. Easy now. It's going to give me a base of 8. The exponent is 2 out of 6. If I simplify that, just give me this. It's a lot of steps. I don't want to miss any step. I want everyone to see how I got this. So if I simplify that, I'll get 1 over 3, because 2 goes in itself one time, and 2 can go into 6 3 times, and that is what I'm trying to do now. Okay. All right. Now again, I know that 8 is none other than, so number 8 itself, come on, number 8. Number 8 is 2 exponent 3. How did I get that? So 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. I just need to put a multiplication sign between the 3 numbers, or the 3 2's. Okay, easy now. Alright, so that is 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, which can be written as 2 exponent 3. 2 exponent 3. Copy. I paste. Come on. So 2 exponent 3. Because I have multiplied. Come on. What's going on now? 2 exponent 3. Because I've multiplied 2 times 2 times 2. So this is a whole number. This is expanded form. And this is index notation. Alright. So now instead of having 8 exponent 1 over 3, copy this. I bring it down here. And put it in the brackets and put it in there. Nice. So now I'm going to follow the steps again. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 1 over 3. Then I'll end up with so just copy this step. Easy now. Come on. Nice. So getting there, we're getting there. Just give me some time, please. Right. So this is now 2 exponent 3 times 1 over 3, and that will give me something like this. Come on, copy this, space equal to, I paste, this is gonna be 2 exponent 3 over 3. Okay, and we know that 3 over 3 is none other than just 1. So the answer here would just be 2. So in other words, 64 exponent 1 over 6 is equal, simplifies to 2. So this is one way you can do it. Now the other way that you can do it is to break up 64 as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so what we need is a table. So we need a table. Okay, we make it very small so it can fit, and then we start putting in the number 64. So the smallest prime number that, or prime factor that can divide 64 is 2. 2 goes into 64 how many times? 32 times. Alright, then again the smallest prime factor that can divide 32 is 2. It goes in 16 times. And then again 2 goes into 16 8 times, and again 2 goes into 8, come on, 4 times, 2, come on, 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 goes in itself 1 time. Remember, you only stop when you get a 1 here. So 64 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that is 64 in X as a product of its prime factors. So we can say now 64, come on 64, I think we can use this one. This one is nice and long, so we can make use of this one. Copy it, we bring it down. So I'm just trying to show you that you can simplify this type of question in the exam in 2 ways. And you can do this without a calculator, So we can say that 64 is equal to, so we need another set of 2's. Just gonna copy this and put it here. Come on. And just put a multiplication here. So we need a multiplication sign. Copy. And we put it there. Alright, so that's 64. Let's see if we are right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 2 exponent 6. Alright, so instead of having 64 exponent 1 over 6, we can just say that now this is so instead of 64 here, we are going to replace this by 2 exponent 6. Come on, 2 exponent 6, we copy it and we paste it in there, and then we simplify. So we back to this step. So you multiply this little exponent by 1 over 6. And if you do just that, this is what we're going to have. Easy now. Equal to, no Eugene, please don't confuse my learners. Okay. Paste. So this is now 6. This is now 6, and that will simplify to 2 exponent 6 over 6. Alright, so you can solve this in 2 different ways, but you're still gonna get the same answer. Okay, so 6 divided by 6, come on, 6 divided by 6 is none other than 1, and 2 exponent 1 is just 2. See that? So whether you use the fact that 64 is 8 times 8, and then you continue, you know that 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, then you get this, or you simply say I'm going to break up 64 as a product of its prime factors, and then instead of having 64 here, I'll replace it with 2 exponent 6, because 2 exponent 6 is index notation of this whole number. All right, and this is the expanded notation of 64. All right. Okay, let me see if we have enough time so we can quickly do part number 4. This was number 2. This was number 2. And this was supposed to be number 4. Okay, let's see if we have enough time so we can do part 4. Otherwise, that part 4 you have to do it on your own. Let's see. Alright, no, time is not on our side. So this is it for now. Alright, so in our next video, I'm not going to provide this answer. Please come to me via WhatsApp so you can show me if your answers are right or you need to do some correction. Okay? So in the next video, we are going to look at what we call applying the correct order of operations to numbers with powers and roots. So please, you need to revise about BODMAS, or also known as BEDMAS. All right. And if you are interested in these notes, please do get in touch with me. These notes are coming from this study guide. These notes are coming from this study guide. If you are interested in the study guide, please let me know so I can provide you with one. I also have one, the same study guide, but physical science. All right, mathematics and physical science. All right, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.